Ever wondered what the top 10 famous foods in India are? Today, we embark on a culinary journey across the vibrant and diverse landscapes of India, where each region offers a unique and delightful gastronomical experience. Buckle up for a tantalizing ride through the flavors of India. Starting at number 10, we have the rasgulla. This sweet delight, native to the eastern regions of India, features soft and spongy balls made from paneer, soaked in a luscious sugar syrup. One bite and you're transported to a world of sweetness. Next on our list at number 9 is the golgappa or pani puri. This popular street food is a symphony of flavors and textures. Crispy puris filled with spicy, tangy tamarind water, mashed potatoes, and chickpeas will give your taste buds a roller coaster ride of epic proportions. At number 8, we have the Rogan Josh. This flavorful and aromatic curry, typically made with tender pieces of lamb or goat, is a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Kashmir. It's a dish that warms you from the inside out. Number 7 introduces us to the Tandoori Chicken. This dish is a testament to the power of marination. Chicken pieces are bathed in a mix of yogurt and spices, then cooked in a traditional tandoor or clay oven, imparting a smoky flavor that's hard to resist. The humble samosa takes the 6th spot. This triangular pastry filled with spiced potatoes, peas, or even meat, and deep-fried to golden perfection, is a snack that's loved across the length and breadth of the country. At number 5, we find chole bhature. This beloved North Indian dish pairs spiced chickpeas or chole with deep-fried bread or batur. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Our 4th spot goes to the Masaladosa. A South Indian specialty, this thin, crispy, fermented rice and lentil crepe is filled with spiced potatoes. It's a breakfast staple that's enjoyed throughout the day. Butter chicken takes the 3rd spot. This rich and creamy curry, with its tender chicken pieces, is known for its indulgent taste. It's a dish that truly represents the heartiness of Punjabi cuisine. The 2nd spot goes to Paneer Tikka. This grilled, marinated paneer or Indian cottage cheese is a popular appetizer that's loved across the country. It's a testament to the versatility of paneer. And finally, at number 1, we have biryani. This flavorful and aromatic rice dish, often prepared with meat, spices, and herbs, is a celebration of flavors in every bite. It's a dish that's loved and enjoyed by millions across the country and beyond. So there you have it, a quick recap: rasgulla, golgappa or pani puri, Rogan Josh, Tandoori Chicken, Samosa, chole bhature, Masaladosa, butter chicken, Paneer Tikka, and finally the king of Indian cuisine, biryani. Each of these dishes tells a story, a tale of culinary traditions, regional influences, and the love for food that's deeply ingrained in the Indian culture. They are a testimony to the rich culinary heritage of India.